So this is a review of the Everlast boxing gloves that I would highly recommend. These boxing gloves I use for my boxing and training purposes, and overall I've owned these boxing gloves for the past 2 months now, and these boxing gloves are extremely high quality. I love the leather and the feeling of it when I hold them on. The straps are also really nice too. When you open it up, it's really, it's easy to wear and easy to take off, and the straps are pretty tight too, depending on how big your forearm, your arm sizes. Is really easy to adjust the sizing, so that's a huge plus right there. And overall, I just love the quality and layout and design of these Everlast boxing gloves. They are really high quality and very sturdy when you wear them, and they don't be like loose or anything like that. They fit on like a glove. So overall, I would highly recommend the Everlast boxing gloves for your training and boxing purposes, and I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a new set of boxing gloves. Then these are probably one of the best pair you could get.